Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to give examples for selection statement. What is selection statement? I already explained in my last video. If you are not aware of that, please go and watch that video. I will give link in the description. Now we will go to the topic. First, I was created a class name as an if statements. Always the class name starts with an capital letter. That is not a rule, but it looks good. So that's why we will use a class name starts with the capital letter. Now this is the main method. The execution of your Java program starts from here. The first compiler doesn't read class name, first checks main method, then only it checks class name. First the compiler come here and execution starts from here. Now we will revise what are the topics comes under selection statement. If else, if else if, or else if ladder. We will tell like else if ladder, and then the fourth one is nested if, and finally switch case. I will give brief information about switch case. As of now in this video I will give examples for this if else and else if ladder and nested if. So in switch case I will give detailed information in next video. Now concentrate. First example for if. Now if means we have to write a condition. First we initialize a variable a equal to 10. Now I have to check the value of a is greater than 10 or less than 10. If that value is greater than or equal to 10, greater than or equal to 10, I have to print a value. A. All we know, this is an initialization of a variable. Here a is a container and 10 is a value. 10 value is stored in a container a. If wherever we print a variable, 10 value will be printed. Okay, now you understand it, right? Now if a value greater than or equal to 10, then prints a value is 10. Okay, now I will run the program. See, a value is 10. If I was given a value is 30, then also be printed, but I am going to print a value is, what is the a value? If it is changed or not, it will updated in memory location. See, a value is 30. If I changed condition like a value less than or equal to 10, see here, nothing is printed because no other printing statement is there. So that's why only here I will write dash dash dash. See here, now we will print some content. See here, we printed dash dash dash. I will give another example for if statement. First I am going to initialize a int variable marks. Marks is a container. I am going to store 70. 70 is a marks or a value stored into a marks variable. Now I have to print who got marks greater than 70. Marks greater than 70. He is a good student. I have to print good student. Now I am going to write an simple if condition. Marks greater than 70. What I have to print? This out good student. Okay, now you understand. If anyone got marks 70 greater than system.out.println, I am going to print good student. Now you have to understand carefully. I was given marks as 70, but I was given a marks condition as a marks greater than 70. in this case it doesn't go inside because the condition is not true, so that's why this block will not be printed. Now check the output once. I am going to save the program. See here the first if condition is false and then second if condition also fail. I written equal to and here I was changing symbol to greater than. Now check the result. Look here, a value is 30 and then good student and then dash dash also printed. If this condition is true or false, doesn't matter, this printing statement will be printed because this is not inside the if block, this is outside the if block and inside this main method. Here if else if statement program starts. See, first if condition I will check a is less than 10. If a is less than 10 I have to print single digit number, and then I will check else if condition. If a is less than 100, if a is less than 100 I have to print two digit number. In else part I have to print more than two digit numbers. Now you understand, right? If a is less than 10 means we will get start from 0, let us assume, and then 1 2 3 4 and so on to 9 is a single digit number, right? So two digit number means 10, 11, 12 and so on to 99 is a single digit number. 1 2 3 4 or the number we pass to a, it will be printed. If we pass 9, we have to print a single digit number. If we pass 33, we have to print two digit number. If we pass 1000, it has to print more than two digit number. Now you understand, right? We will write in program. Already we saw examples for if and then if else. Now we are going to write a program for if else if. Okay. First if condition, what we have to check? If a, no, we have to first initialize a variable. Why? Because in last example I was hidden that one code, so that's why a equal to, we will give some 88 value 88. Okay. First if condition, a less than 10, what we have to print? We have to print single digit number. Okay. If this condition is not satisfied, then it comes to else if condition. What we have to write here? A less than 100, and then I have to print two digit number. Okay. First the compiler comes here and creates a memory location for a and then stores 88 into a memory location. First checks first if condition. If this condition is satisfied, then comes inside the if condition and then prints if statement. If it is not satisfied, which is false, and comes out of the if block and go on checks the else if condition. If this condition is satisfied and goes inside the else if block and prints this two digit number statement. If the condition is also false, if we give an else block will be printed more than two digit numbers. Okay, we can give any number of, first run the program, later I will explain. Yeah, we passed 88. 88 is an two digit number, so that's why that were printed. I was given what the number I want. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 is then more than two digit number, right? More than two digit number is printed. Okay, now you understand. One else if condition is not mandatory. We will write more than one else if condition. Just copy and paste and change the condition here to 1000, and then 2 digit change it to 3 digit, here more than 3 digit. Now I'm going to, here we passed more than 3 digit, right? So I will change it to single digit first and run the program. Single digit number, we passed single digit number, and then I'm going to pass 2 digit number, check the program output, 2 digit number printed, and then I'm going to change it to 3 digit number, run the program, 3 digit number. If I pass to 4 digit, more than 3 digit number. Now you understand, right? For an if else is not an mandatory, we can remove this one also. Compile time error will not come. Just check the program. I will change this to single digit, run the program, single digit number came. If I gave, sorry, yes, if I change to 351, 3 digit, check the program. Yes, this is then 3 digit, and then more than 3 digits, nothing will be printed. See, output not came. For your understanding, program is running. I will print some content. Run the program. Okay, now run the program. Yes, program is running. Stops the program. Observe carefully. Here at least one condition also not satisfied, so that's why only the printing statement is not printed. Now we understand. Example for else if ladder. Example for nested if. If we want to withdraw an amount in ATM, first we have to enter our PIN correctly. So first I initialized 4 variables. First one is account balance, and then second one is withdrawal amount, third one expected PIN, and fourth one is actual PIN, which is entered PIN. Okay, now here I changed a value, right? Actual value, okay, 500. Now look at the program. First we want to withdraw an amount, expected pin is equal to the entered pin, right? I'm checking that condition. Expected pin if equal to the entered pin, which is actual pin, then it comes inside the nested if condition. It prints valid pin and then checks inside another condition, withdraw amount less than or equal to actual balance. Withdraw amount is 500, that is less than or equal to actual balance. If that is true, so prints withdraw successful. Now I run the program. Run the program, valid pin and then withdraw successful, stops the program. As of now I will hide this one and this one. Okay, if I change pin to 5, the pin is not equal to actual pin, so that's why check the program output, stops the program. Why? Because the outer if condition is not satisfied, so that's why inner condition is not checked. If I changed and this withdraw amount is greater than actual balance, what will happen? Just see, valid pin but insufficient amount, try later message is printed. Why? Because actual balance is more than withdraw amount, so that's why this condition is not satisfied, so else part is printed. Thank you for watching this video. In my next video I will explain about switch case. Switch case is very important, so that's why I am making another video. Thank you.